Hello guys, if you are wondering how to showboat in college football 27, it's a fun move that lets your player celebrate before reaching the end zone, and it's very easy to do. While you're running with the football, hold L2 and R2 on PlayStation, then press cross. On Xbox, hold LT and RT, then press A. If you press the buttons together correctly, your player will begin showboating as they run. You can use this after breaking away on a long run, returning an interception, or anytime you have open space in front of you. Depending on the situation, your player may point to the crowd, perform a quick dance, or trigger another unique animation. Keep in mind, if you continue showboating all the way into the end zone, you may not always get a regular touchdown celebration afterward. You can also come across rare animations that aren't listed in the celebration menu, so it's worth trying the move in different situations to see what you unlock. And that's all you need to know. Just hold L2 and R2, then press cross on PlayStation, or hold LT and RT, then press A on Xbox, and you'll be able to showboat while running with the ball in college football 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.